headphones here. So, okay, so we have two, which I'm going to test right now. And a smaller version of these. So, these. So, these are smaller and probably have better quality, right? But this is the Boat Rockers 610. These are the Mixx ones. These both cost about the same, I would say, like 20 quid, 25 quid, and like it's around in 20 to 30 quid, like that. So I thought, why not test these? So we're going to test the audio quality, the noise cancellation. I don't think both of these have any noise cancellation, by the way, and the battery life. So with the battery life, these have about 4 days of listening time if you listen 2-3 hours and like normal use, and these have about the same 4 days of listening time. So which one is better? Well, let's check the audio quality. So first, you know what, I'm not going to check this, I'm going to check these ones. So I'm just going to So when you open these connect immediately. So, but there are some problems that these do have. So I'm only going to put one. So the good thing is you can actually only use one of these and listen to a conversation at the same time. So yeah. I would say it's not bad, but I'm going to put both of these on now. These do have a lot of audio leakage. My friends told me about these, but can't complain. Okay, so yeah, these are good, but these are small and easily portable. I had these in my pocket at the start, if you noticed. But I can't fit these in my pocket. I mean, yeah, look at how small these can be folded up to, but still, look at the pointy edges. And if I don't want the pointy edges, it doesn't really fit, so it comes back. Same with this, but I'd say this is smaller and easy to throw it. So I forgot to tell you guys, I'm gonna actually test the comfort as well. These are plastic, and do you think these are comfortable? Like, what did I do actually? So these just fit in your ears, and the bits, like, it feels like there's some irritation in your ear. That's what I mean. But these are cushioning, so alright, I'm gonna test the text. Yeah, test the Mixx comfort. So yeah, the comfort is alright. How do we say this? The comfort is not bad. You still, for me, I have irritation around my ears, so it's just about a little bit annoying, I'd say, but can't complain. And these ones. So let's check these out. I mean, these do feel a bit more like lighter, and like it doesn't feel like something's pushing my ears, but still has some bit of disturbance. So I'm going to test the quality, but before that I want to tell you about the battery life of this. So the battery life of this is about lasts about 2-3 days with the charging case, which is not bad, but not as good as that. But compared to the size, I'm not going to complain. Alright, so both of these are good. Audio quality. So the connection is, it takes, right, it's connected. Oh, no, not yet. It's connected now. So the quality, I'm going to check now, but the connection time, I would say can be a bit more faster, but anyway, it's 20 quid, can't complain about that. So, I'm like, look at my volume. But it still is a bit, it can be louder, to be honest with you. But the quality is a bit muffled up, so you feel like you're in a bubble that is actually a bit, you don't have, it feels like there's no air, it can't have, I can't speak. Yeah, I know. It doesn't have air to pump it out, so it feels a bit muffled up, I would say. But these, let's test these out. So yes, this has a wire going here and a wire here. Can't see any trace of wires here, so it doesn't mark left or right. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Oh yeah, it does. Alright, so I'm going to test the audio quality. So let's check these out. Look at my volume. I can't listen to this. It is so. Yes, these are good. The noise cancellation, both of them. I don't think any of them have those, but these have them. But those are rubbish. So. Alright, so the sound. Did you see my volume bar? It was that much. Okay, so it was this much for these, and I could listen the exact same sound as this. So it's the same level of sound. But when I go higher, this was the top. I showed you the top one, and it was the same as when I added low. So these are good with sound quality. So I think you should buy these because, yeah, just for 5 extra quid you get better everything. And this is rubber, and yeah. So buy these. Link in the description for these, and yeah. So I might tell you something. So my goal this year is there, and I don't think I'm going to reach it this year. But if you help me reach it within this year, I'll be really grateful. And so a sub to the channel will mean a lot to me. And when we hit 10,000 subs, I'll be giving away 2 iPhone 15 Pro Max, or the newest iPhone of that year, when we hit 10,000 subs. So sub to the channel will mean a lot. And for 100 subs, I'll be giving away these. And 4,000 subs, I'll give away a Nintendo Switch. So, sub to the channel, don't miss out, and yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm Guru, and this is Mr. Legend Stranger. See you in the next video.